Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. I'm here in Meijer. I've got a diaper deal that you don't want to miss out on. It's part of this save $40 when you spend $100. Plus we have, let me show you this. Plus we have this buy $75 on diapers and training pants, get $20 in a Catalina back. We're gonna combine this deal with a couple of other things. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. So let me show you what to do. So the first thing you want to do is grab 2 boxes of the Huggies that are regularly priced at $28.99. Now you could do the little movers if you'd like. I'm going to opt for the Snug and Dry just because there's more per box, and I'm doing this for a family friend. So we are going to grab just any size. She's got one that is in diapers, like 2, and she's got one that's coming in January. So we're going to get a combination of all different sizes here. All right, so I'm opting for a size 2 box, which has 116 in it. These are $28.99, and then a size 7, which only has 54 diapers in it. You'll notice the sizes of the boxes are quite different. I wonder why they can't make them the same size. But anyway, her 2-year-old is in size 7s, so that's why we're grabbing these, and then we're just gonna stock up the baby that's coming in January and get all different kinds of sizes. All right, next we need to grab 2 bags of the $9.99 diapers from Huggies. I think I'm gonna grab some ones. I know ones, they don't stay in too long, and if she's got a big baby, then we don't want too many, but I'm gonna grab one of these just to make sure she has that first size. And then I'm also going to grab a size 3 just because we already have a size 2 in the box, and I want to make sure that she gets all the sizes so we get a good stockpile started. All right, so here we are with all of our diapers. We've got size 1s, 2s, 3s, and 7s. And so we've got the baby going as well as the one she currently has in diapers. And now we're going to go ahead and get the rest of the items we need to get to that $100 threshold. All right, we're also going to throw in some Huggies wipes to go with this deal. They're regularly priced at $6.99. That's what we want to get us up over that $100 threshold here. So I'm going to grab these Simply Clean. If you want to spend, 30 cents more, you could grab the Huggies Simply Clean or even the Natural Care over here. So there's some other options for you, but we're going to go with the 3-pack at $6.99. So the next item that you could grab is going to be the Viva paper towels. I believe this is a 6 count. It's regularly priced $11.99. It's on sale for $10.99, and we have a $1 off 1 digital coupon for it. Now this is going to make the lowest out of pocket and the best deal. However, I don't want the Viva, so I'm going to grab something else. Let me show you what I'm subbing in. So I'm actually going to grab the Cottonelle. Now it's going to be $2 more. It's regularly priced at $13.99. It's on sale for $12.99. There is also a $1 off coupon for this, so it's going to make it $11.99 total. And the reason why is we need toilet paper. We don't need any paper towels, so that's why I want to grab this. Now I'm only giving my neighbor the diapers. I'm keeping the rest, so I just want to grab something that we're going to use for our household. You can choose what you want to do, but I'd rather spend the extra $2 and get something that we actually need. All right, here we go with all of our Huggies, and we've got our Cottonelle now. We're going to head on over for our last item. Okay, so the Poise pads are not the price I thought they were going to be. I was looking for a pack that was $4.79. The lowest I can find is the $6.69 pads here, and there's quite a few to choose from. So I'm going to grab one of the $6.69. We have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon, and then we also have, and I bought a rebate for 75 cents back. I'm going to rework the wipes because that one's not crucial, to make sure that we get the $6 wipes, and see if I can find something a little bit cheaper to get us a little bit lower to that $100 threshold. Okay, so I put back the $6.99 wipes, and I'm going to grab 2 of the Huggies Simply Clean. They're $2.39, and I'm going to grab 2 of these. It's going to put me at $102.02, which is well over the $100 threshold, and I just wanted to do that to make sure I'm not spending too much. We'll come back and do more deals for her later to get her all stocked up on wipes. All right, so we have everything in our cart. We are ready to head to checkout. So everything you see here is going to total to be $102.02, well over our $100 threshold to trigger that $40 to come off. We're going to use a $1 off 1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle, a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Poise, or I should say Imperk. And then we have the 40 off $100 for everything here, which is going to leave our out-of-pocket at $58.92 plus tax. So you have to take that into consideration, especially when we're from different states. Then we're going to receive a $20 Catalina for spending $75 in diapers. And we're going to submit and get 75 cents back from Ibotta. Our final cost should be around $38.17 for everything you see here that's well over $100. This is amazing. All right, let's go to the checkout and see if we can do it. So everything worked perfectly. As you can see from my Meijer savings, I had $43.50 in perks and $1 special, $44.50 total, and that's before the Catalina printed. The Poise pads were $69 with $2.50 off. I did submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. The baby wipes were $2.39 each at $4.79 or $78. We had Huggies diapers and the Cottonelle, and the $1 off imperk did come off, plus the 40. That left us with, after sales tax, of $375, $62, $67 out of pocket. I'm going to get 75 cents back from Ibotta, and I did get a $20 Catalina that printed that I can use on my very next trip when I go grocery shopping. It's good through the 11th. So I'll have to make sure I get up here and grab more, which it's Christmas time or just going grocery shopping. I will get that spent, no problem. So I'm really, really excited about this. One other note, we did have a couple of different Catalinas print, including this one for $2 off your next jumbo diaper purchase. And although that would have been nice to have to use in my transaction, save me an extra $2, that's okay. I'm actually going to give this to my friend with the diapers and let her go do this deal and tell her to use the coupon on this deal when she does it, so that way she can get $2 more in savings. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you want more information about these particular sales, let me know in the comments and I will help you out as best I can. Let me know your deal scenario. Maybe you don't need diapers. Maybe you're going to go for more of the household goods. If that's the case, leave us your scenarios in the comments below. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving, Black Friday, or whatever part of the weekend you're enjoying, and I'll be back with you with more deals later. Bye, guys.